everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty. Hi. If you're new here, welcome. My channel is all about learning how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Welcome back to my returning subscribers. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing 2 subscription crate unboxings. One is knitcrate, which I believe is July, and the August Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month Club. Now, my last yarn subscription unboxing that I did, I had the 5 different kits that I compared and contrasted. Well, I have to say that I started getting knitcrate in May, and I've never had the traditional knitcrate experience because that was when it was coming in the plastic mailers. And it looks like this month they're finally back to their traditional knitcrate box, which I'm happy about because it's my first time actually having this experience of a traditional knitcrate box. So let me open this up and we'll get started. Ooh, pretty. Ooh. That's interesting. I'm ready for my close-up. Snap a shot for a chance to win 3 free months of knitcrate and post it to Ravelry, Facebook, and Instagram. Hey, I'm into 3 free months. All right, hashtag unravel your knitcrate. You guys can see that. Pretty paper, which is nice. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh, that is nice. Ooh, it's very soft. So this is what we have this month. Ooh, prettiness. Well, I love the gray tones. URU.yarn by knitcrate, cotton basic by Stitch and Hustle. This is, put that down. 1 second. So on first feel, this is very squishy and nice. I like this a lot. I love the color. How it's variegated but is basic neutrals. I do love variegated yarn, I'll be honest. So the information on this one, it says it is 100% organic Pima cotton. Oh, this is the first time I've ever had Pima cotton. It is really soft. And it's a DK weight, which makes me happy because one of my biggest complaints about knitcrate is that it has been sock weight every single time. And I am not the biggest fan of one weight yarn. So I'm happy that we got DK this month. 266 yards, 100 grams, 242 meters, machine wash, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. All URU yarns are made exclusively for knitcrate. So this is what we have, and there's 2 of them in here. So we have 500 and change for yards. That's a pretty good amount of yardage for DK. I'm very happy with that. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, give me 1 second. Oh my goodness, what's that? Oh my goodness. So my other big beef with knitcrate has been that they have been having us go online and look up the patterns online, and I hate that. I want my patterns to be printed, written in front of me, not worrying about a technology flub or my kids erasing something on my computer. I know I'm old school like that, but looks like we're back to the first time I've ever gotten the traditional knitcrate booklet. This makes me very happy. Yes, it does. So it looks like this is July for sure. So yeah, this is August. It's August what? Believe today's the 12th. And I still haven't heard nor hide nor hair of my August knitcrate. We're almost in the middle of the month. And my July knitcrate came yesterday on the 11th. So happy National Crochet Day yesterday, by the way. So there's a shawl on the front. And then they're talking about, so these are the 3 different yarns that were available this month. So there's gray, a pink, and it looks like a dark purple or a blue there. This month's theme is Color Splash. Red Hot Poppy, Bubblegum Pink, Dark Magenta, Silver, and Teal. find a home in this exciting color palette. The person who is profiled this month for the maker is Michelle Costa. Because this year, each of our crates have been curated in collaboration with some of your favorite influencers. We invited Michelle Costa, aka Stitch and Hustle, to join us in on the fun. Oh, and there's 2 brand new knit and crochet patterns. So this is a picture of Michelle Costa. That's exciting. So to give you an up close on the booklet, these are the 3 yarns. The Energize Me this month is Hustle. Which is Michelle's favorite shades of pink. And then the natural one, which is what I got, is Pavement. And then the chill out one is called Stardust. And that is deep and tonal purple leaning navy. Reminds us of the night sky. Those are pretty. And then this is what the sock yarns look like. I don't get sock crate because, again, I do not like sock weight yarn. So it looks like it's speckled this month. And the speckles seem, And the speckles seem like they match kind of with the other colors from the other stuff. Ooh, this is exciting. Apparently, again, this is my first booklet. I am getting the crochet sock pattern, even though I don't have sock crate, so that's exciting. And then there also is a Sanctuary crochet shawl, which is the pink one. And then the purple one is Summerline Shawlette, which I guess is a bonus pattern. But I'm very excited about those socks up there. Here's the theme peak for August. Vividarium. Pretty colors. That's exciting. Let's see what my bonus thing was in the box. Okay, this is the bonus item this month, and ooh, am I excited about this. So this is a Tunisian crochet hook. I don't own one of these. Been interested in maybe trying Tunisian crochet, but didn't have a hook up until this moment. It is a size J 6mm, and it's got a plastic loopy thing with a stopper back here. Pardon my non-technical terms. But it is a nice wood, possibly bamboo, not really sure, Tunisian crochet hook. So that is useful, and it's something I don't own that I was interested in doing. I was actually looking at these the other day on, I don't remember the website, but I was looking at them and going, I don't have one of those. I'm glad I didn't get that, because now I have one. I must say this is probably one of the best bonuses I've had in knitcrate so far. So let me know what you guys think of this knitcrate. Anybody have some experience with Tunisian crochet? Drop me some links or channels down below that I should be following or looking into for beginner Tunisian crochet tutorials. There is a link down below that you can use for a 50% off coupon for your first knitcrate. This is not affiliated with knitcrate. Knitcrate did not pay for this. I bought it myself. But if you do use my link, you will get 50% off your first box, and you can cancel it anytime. So that was knitcrate. Let's move on to Mary Maxim. So, Mary Maxim has been one of my favorite, or my favorite, I should say, crochet kit that I have been subscribed to now since, I believe, May was my first one. May, June, July. So this is my 4th Mary Maxim kit. And I've been very happy with the yarn selection and many things about it so far. So let's look at this month. Ooh, that's interesting. This is a bit bigger kit than we got last time. And that's interesting. Things you should know about me. I don't like to go to the beach. I kind of think it's horrible. I don't like the sand. I would much rather go hiking, spend time in a forest, go Go to a lake. Do I want to go to an ocean beach? Not so much. And usually I'm going to Rhode Island beaches, which are pretty busy and crazy and wall-to-wall people, and I'm not into that. So I may make this. Let me open this, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so it appears that our pattern this month is for the beach bag blanket. It's an intermediate pattern. It looks like that. It looks like it's made with the chain, single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet, which doesn't seem like it's gonna be that difficult, but I don't see myself making this. Again, I'm not a fan of the beach. This, I guess, opens up into a big round thing that you can sit on. No. I mean, if you're into the beach, this is pretty cool, but I think that this might just be a thanks for the yarn experience here. So if you are interested in this, you need a size H 5mm crochet hook, and it's going to be 101.5 centimeters or 40 inches when spread out flat. Yep. Pretty. All right, let's look at the yarn. This is what it looks like when it's all spread out. So yeah, it's pretty. Let's look at the yarn. So this month, Mary Maxim still winning the packaging game. They still have these nice plastic reusable zipper, soon to be whip bag after this is emptied. And this month they have 6 skeins of Lion brand Flicka yarn, and it is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 196 yards or 179 meters. It's a 3-weight. Calls for a 6mm hook or 4.5mm knitting needle. And this is the color, oh, hold on. 50% cotton, 50% polyester. Machine washable and dryable. And the color Sidewalk. So this is the yarn that we have from Mary Maxim this month. Not my favorite yarn we've gotten, but it's not too bad. I mean, I do like all the different colors in it. So it's got some navy blues, some creams, some different colors of brown, and some light kind of sage greens. So it's not bad. I will not be making the pattern this month, but I probably will use this for something else. This could be a good fall, I don't know, shawl. Because we have 6 at, how many yards was this? Just shy of 200 yards, so almost 1,200 yards. I should be able to make a shawl out of this. I looked on the Lion brand website, and this right now is selling for $3.99 a skein. They still have this color, so if I needed more, I could get more. And so that comes to almost $25. So I definitely made my money back here, because it's $20 plus shipping, I think, for this. And I get the pattern, which I won't use, but I'll pass on to someone else. And the reusable bag. So I'm happy with this. So knitcrate definitely took a step up this month with the packaging, the booklet, the extra that I will definitely use. The yarn was not sock weight, so, you know, good job, knitcrate. This has been the first Mary Maxim bag that I know I will not use the pattern for. But I definitely will use this yarn, so it's not a complete loss. So let me know down below if you have any other crochet or yarn subscription boxes that aren't totally hooked on sock yarn that you think I should try. Because I am looking to try a few new ones and see how they are. Let me know down below in the comments. And thank you for watching this video. And I hope that I taught you how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. And I hope you have a creative day. Bye, everyone.